Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. Here I am with another video for you guys. Now, usually if I'm doing an oil change, I'll be using one of these. A jack to be lifting up the car, and now it's like 89, 90 degrees. I don't want to do that. So actually I went and got an oil extractor. So if you do have an oil filter at the top, located at the top of the motor, mostly Volkswagen, Audi, I believe some BMW products too, can all utilize this system. So this is pretty cool. And of course, if you haven't seen the reason, and we're going to fill it up with Rove motor oil. If you haven't seen that video of why I choose Rove in my car, upper right hand corner of the screen, go ahead and check it out. I'm going to show you how the oil extractor works and how easy it is, and we can do a simple oil change without even having to get underneath the car and do anything. So you pick the connector that's actually going to be able to slide all the way down the dipstick, as such as you see here. We're going to connect it like that. And we're going to push this all the way down. So next thing we're going to do is that we're just going to go ahead. They have a little plastic metal, they have a metal piece down here to put your foot down so you don't move this thing around too much. And all you're going to do is, hopefully this goes right, make sure you connect everything correctly. And this is about, I believe, $78 or like 80 bucks on ECS right now. And any order over $50 is free shipping. So all you have to do is this. So as you can see, the oil is already coming out and going into the extractor. So the cool thing about this, wow, this is literally warm. It's literally hot actually.
Ingrained in my head, and I start to see.
Until you get a steady stream.
There we go.
No, it's going back.
How do you know all of this? You looked it up, huh?
I don't know where I know it from. Well, it looks like you don't have no more oil in there though.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks like it.
This is awesome. This is really easy to do. And then I could just put fresh oil in. Oh, we need a funnel. Forgot about the funnel. All right. So as you can see, once you get to these air bubbles, as you see here, I don't know if you guys can pick that up on that, or pick it up on camera. These are just air bubbles. So there's pretty much nothing left in the tank. I mean, in the oil pan, in the engine, and all of it is in here. So you have all of this in here now. And the good thing about this is that you take this off, this line off right here, and this acts as a little spout, so you can pour it into wherever you're going to dispose of it at. So that's pretty cool as well. But yeah. And all right, so we're going to go ahead and crack the oil filter. We're going to put the new oil in. All right, guys. Well, I'm just going to head and we're going to go ahead and put the oil in the car now. Obviously, I'm not going to show you how to put the oil in, but this was mainly just about the extractor. I'll put a link in the description down below where you can purchase this for yourself if you do have a VW or Audi product. Definitely dope. It's definitely a lot easier than getting underneath the car and changing the oil. And without further ado, I'm going to say later, take care, like, share, subscribe the video, and subscribe to JR14. See you later. Bye.